In every contact center, agents learn on the job, new hires on their first hard call, tenured agents on every new product, policy, and situation. Cresta's Training Simulator gives agents a place to practice against simulated customers built from your real-world conversations.
It looks like the policy lapsed because the payment didn't go through.
This is ridiculous. I had autopay set up, I did everything right, and now you're telling me it's my problem?
Yeah, I can understand how that's frustrating, but autopay can fail when a payment card expires or declines.
That's not a real customer, and it's not a script. It's a simulated customer who responds dynamically, shows emotion, and behaves like the customers your team actually serves. Simulations are built from a prompt rather than hand-scripted, so your training team can spin up new content in minutes. And because it's part of the same platform that runs your quality program, the rules that grade real conversations grade these ones too. For new hires, that means ramping faster, staying compliant, and making it through the early months when they're most likely to quit. For tenured agents, it means staying current on new products, policies, and processes without being pulled off the floor for live role plays. And for managers, the coaching they give their agents gets reinforced with training simulations built around the exact behaviors they need to work on. When agents arrive ready for the call, the rest follows. Better customer experience, more revenue, and lower attrition and hiring costs.